starting right now. I wish the requests would stop coming in because we're timing it. We're going till 55 on the stream. And this is embarrassing. We're right downtown where people are not doing this. Oh man, we are getting looks. We are definitely getting looks. We're getting looks.
Come with me and let me get it, girl. Come on, girl. Get it, girl. Come on, girl. Get it, girl. Come on, girl. I've been looking at you for a while with your big brown ass and a pretty smile. Every guy call you sexy, but your man is weak. We can't satisfy you, baby. I'm your freak. If you want a real man, the man is me. Coming to my world, I'm your fantasy. Cause where you're going is into my world. Just straight up love to come in. Get it, girl. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Get it, don't stop. Don't stop. When you come to me, all you do is ask, cause your fulfillment is my only task. I won't mislead you or mistreat you, I'll just kiss, hug and squeeze you. When you think of me, loving's on your mind. It's written in the books that I'm one of a kind. I like making love 7 days a week. Not like your man, I'm just a freak. Yo man, did you wrong, now it's my turn. After all this dick, I know you will learn. Cause there ain't another who can rock your world. Just open those legs and let me get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
With your tongue.
Ooh, this is some good pussy.
Stop her with your tongue.
Ooh, this is some good pussy.
Stop her with your tongue.
Ooh, this is some good pussy. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
Yeah, get it together. Right, you guys are my friends. Ever since COVID took us, we're just saddling up the asses.
Smash that like, please smash that like. You need those lights to go up.
Get back the asses. Scott, I'll never go hungry again. For Tara. Daddy.
Smash that like.
I'll never go hungry again, Daddy. For Tara. I can't not laugh. Tara. For Tara. I'm supposed to give it.
Shout out Tara and
I'm
LB.
supposed to care. But then we get into what Steve was talking about the, what was he talking about? The Druids, the Jareds, the scary people. Why we believe Halloween's evil. The Druids, the Jareds, the Druids, the Jareds, not Jared, not Jared. You know Jared.
You know Jared.
Jared. Shout out Jared.
That's funny. Shout out Jared.
Shout out Jared. Oh shit, we lost ad revenue now.
What? Money is just money.
Thinking trash.
Just money. Tokyo Drift.
Thank you for the 27 likes.
If you value money over humanity, all homeless people should die. Value money over people. All homeless should die.
Do you feel the choreography? Alright, well, whether you feel the choreography or not,
Work or die.
we must
Work
go.
or die.
Do you believe it now?
Or die. Work or die. Work or die. Work or die. Disability, welfare, no matter. Work or die.
Hold camera. He won't hold camera.
Wow.
All over. I'm at 5%, y'all.
Okay. Christina, I'm going to. I'm going to, baby.
What do you want? Michael wants something. I was trying to get some last minute cash apps. He's trying to interrupt. I have 5% left battery, and he's trying. Go ahead, Michael.
Happy D.
He's.
How old?
Oh, he's trying to call the cops. Oh, okay. I'm tuning out then. Wow, he's just trying to call the cops.
This guy.
Wow. Oh, he just called the cops on me.
Your life's in Livingston County residence. You dumbass bitch.
What does it matter?
Stop getting life.
I'm trying to get cash apps right now, so
Rub it down, heading to rehab, bitch.
so that we don't die.
Rub it down, heading to rehab.
By the time she got done, we'd probably make it there.
Oh Lord.
Oh. Please like and subscribe, y'all. Thank you so much.